Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to Fan for Spanish materials again. Today's video is going to be about how to talk about the existence of things. In English, we use there is, or also there are when it's multiple. Yeah. In Spanish, we use just one word. That's very easy. I. Remember, the H never sounds. So this doesn't sound high, sounds I. Okay? And we can use it for both singular and plural. So it's pretty versatile. Let's do some examples. Uh, Hay una manzana. Uh, there is an apple. Hay dos manzanas. There are two apples. Hay tres manzanas. There are three apples, and so on. So this topic is extremely easy. We use this word a lot when we are maybe in restaurant. We're ordering. We can say, "Hay Coca Cola. Hay café. Hay agua con gas." These kind of questions like, "Do you guys have or do you have?" So we use a lot this "I" for for these questions like "Hay agua? Hay arroz? Hay pollo?" No sé, whatever. So that's pretty much it. This is a very easy topic. It's just one word, "I." And to practice it, we can ask in the restaurants, like if we want to know if the restaurant has some items. So we say I Coca Cola, I Sprite, I Cafe. Also, if we want to practice this a little bit more, well, remember, and I will always say this because it's extremely important. First, grasp the concepts. So do Quizlet flashcards, and also if you want to write, use the notes and writing document. This document you can find on the topic. When you open the topic, you can find the notes and writing, the Google Doc. Once you grasp the concept, you can use them in real life situations. So we already talked about going to restaurants and ask if they have uh, products. Hay Coca Cola, hay agua, hay arroz, hay sopas, hay postres. And also, another way you can use this a lot is by asking people what is in their countries, yeah, or in their cities. Sorry, forgot the S here. In their house, in their room, in their fridge. So you can say, ¿Qué hay en tu país? Like, what is in your country? ¿Qué hay en tu ciudad? What is in your city? ¿Qué hay en tu casa? What is in your house? ¿Qué hay en tu cuarto? And. Please always use "en" because it's what is in, you know. ¿Qué hay en tu cuarto? What is in your room? ¿Qué hay en tu refrigerador? What is in your fridge? Yeah. Um, that's pretty much it. This is a very easy topic. I hope you can exploit this word a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Hasta luego.